a people's assembly, do they have the right to dictate policy?
They are the citizens. They are the citizens of the country.
You don't serve me what you think is best for you. And I'm not begrudging you. Honestly speaking, the present constitution is serving some good. But a constitution that does not allow me to secure my land. Allow me, you say you put Land Use Act in place. Mm-hmm. You took the right of the citizens, you invested it in the governor. I'm not saying no. So governor has the right over the land. It is only over bad land that has nothing on it, barren land. Once anything is found under it, it becomes federal government land. So the one you don't want is what belongs to me. I mean, all these type of things, we need to debate it.